Do you want to make an extra $1,000 a month with just a laptop and ChatGPT? No coding, no experience required, and yes, many people are already doing it. Most people spend hours scrolling TikTok or watching YouTube, but a small group does something different. They're using the exact same tool you already have, ChatGPT, to turn words into money. While you stress about bills, they're building steady income streams powered by AI. This isn't some get-rich-overnight trick. But if you can dedicate 30 to 60 minutes a day, you can absolutely hit $1,000 a month. Here are the 4 simplest ways to get started. First, create custom GPTs. It sounds technical, but you don't need to code at all. In just a few clicks, you can build a GPT tailored to a specific problem. For example, one freelancer realized that everyone hates writing proposals, so they built a GPT that does it. They uploaded it to the GPT store, shared it in freelancer groups, and within the first month, that bot generated over $1,000. The lesson? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to spot a problem and package the solution. Second, freelance writing. Clients on platforms like Upwork or Endash pay $150 to $300 for a quality article. In the past, writing one piece could take a full day. Now, ChatGPT handles most of the heavy lifting. Brainstorming, outlining, drafting. You simply polish it and add your personal touch. One freelancer shared, "With just 5 to 6 articles a month, I crossed the $1,000 mark. And thanks to ChatGPT, they cut their workload from days to just a few hours. So you're not just making money, you're also buying back your time." Third, social media management. Small business owners, nail salons, local shops, restaurants, they all need Instagram and Facebook, but none of them have the time. This is where you come in. With a few prompts, ChatGPT can write 30 captions in a morning, generate TikTok ideas, and map out a full content calendar. Businesses will gladly pay $300 to $500 per month for this service. Do the math. With just 3 steady clients, you're already over $1,000. One young freelancer even shared on Reddit that they manage content for 3 fashion shops using ChatGPT, pulling in $1,200 a month. It's simple, it's real, and it works. Those are 3 simple, proven ways to earn with ChatGPT. Others are already making $1,000 a month, so why not you? You can keep scrolling and forget this video, or you can take action today. The only question left is, what will you choose?